Hi, today's video is about my 1000 subscribers giveaway and an interesting collaboration I'm having. And if you're interested, please stay tuned. Hi lovely people, welcome to my channel. It is Josie and Josie here. I'm glad to have you here. I know you've clicked the button to watch this video because you've seen the subtitle. Yes, we made 1000 subscribers on this channel. It's surreal. Sorry, I don't know about the party poppers to pop and celebrate, but deep in my heart I'm so excited. It's real, something unbelievable. I'm really excited, and it's all has to do with everybody who has subscribed to this channel, who has joined me, and there are those special people who have been with me along the way from the very beginning. That was about 13 months ago when I started this YouTube channel. I know you might be wondering why why am I celebrating over 1000 subscribers, yet other channels are much bigger. I think the one reason why I do this, because this is a personal journey. This is all about It Is Josie. I'm celebrating It Is Josie. I'm celebrating myself and the lovely people who have tagged along this journey with me. And everybody has their story. I've embraced this journey. It's been a long time coming. I don't want to be ungrateful and say it's been the longest. No, that people wait longer. But I've also watched many people get to this mark within a short time. And it's a journey I chose to embrace, that things might have worked out much slower than I would have wanted, or might not have turned out as good. Sometimes you feel like you uploaded a video, put in all this time, and it hardly gets many people watching it. But there are those diehards who have been with me along the way. I'm forever grateful, and for my new subscribers, you're welcome. Feel at home. Thank you, because I also greatly believe that 1000 subscribers is not just the numbers, it's 1000 people who have taken the deliberate decision to press that subscribe button to join you because they think you have something interesting to share, or they think they will learn something, or they hope that you'll get better at what you do. But whatever the case, I'm forever grateful for the 1171 subscribers who are on my channel at the moment of recording. Thank you for joining me here, and I would like to celebrate with a giveaway. I thought if I could announce the giveaway, I would like to appreciate a few people who have pushed me along this journey. I'm a strong believer that you should give praise to where praise is due. This is going to be a chatty video. Probably the one thing I'll show you that's me made is the top I'm wearing. I tend to forget to show you. And this is a lovely blouse. And this has big sleeves. And this is a top, my very first made from the Bada Style magazines, which I made last year. It was from the June 2019 issue, and I made it out of this cotton fabric, which is quite lightweight. It feels really good to the touch. It's not even a lawn. I think it's like a combination of cotton, lawn, and double gauze. It was gifted to me by Fabrics for All. It was the very first fabric I also received from Fabrics for All when I joined their bloggers team. And maybe before I showed you this, I was saying, like, there are people who have pushed me along. I think at some point you could easily give up, but you encourage yourself to go on. So I decided, I pushed myself even when I feel like, is it worth it? Should you continue with this YouTube channel? It doesn't seem to be going anywhere. But one person who got me here in the first place, she pushed me. She tricked me into recording my very first video and uploading it. I could have come out. I know we can all speak ourselves out of doing anything. I could easily have come up with 1001 reasons why I can't have a YouTube channel. I can't share anything on YouTube. But this one person couldn't listen to a single word. And right now, she actually doesn't want me to praise at all. I've never mentioned that on this channel. I know she will cringe when she hears it, but it's my time to celebrate such people in my life. And this person is Hila from Saturday Night Stitch. I know she will cringe when she watches this, but I thought I would let you know. It's worth mentioning it. She's a friend I met on Instagram. Unfortunately, she's no longer on Instagram, but I will attach her YouTube channel to the bottom. Follow her. She's full of life. She's a happy person. And I met up with her. She's local, so we live in the same city. Met on Instagram, we met up, and from day one we clicked. It was just like we had known each other for so many years. We share quite a lot in common. And she has pushed me along this journey. She pushed me to start my blog which is itisjosie.com. I'll also attach a link to the bottom. The same time she tricked me into recording my first YouTube channel, and she pushed me here. And honestly, there was no room for giving up. Because she would ask me, she held me accountable. I think in life we all need those people who give us a push. We need a healer in your life, but you're not taking mine. This one is mine. But find people in life who can push you through those things you've found 1,000 reasons as to why you shouldn't do them. She has pushed me along the way, and Hila, I'm forever grateful. Thank you. There's no much. And if she hears this, she'll be like, no, you did everything all by yourself. I didn't do anything. But I would like to say thank you, Hila. You've been a great big support and a big sister to me. She has not let me relax. And I'm so grateful for that. It's what I needed for this time in my life. Then the second person I would like to thank is Karen from So Little Time. I will also attach a link at the bottom. She's the sweetest and the kindest person you can imagine. She has also become a friend, a sewing friend over when we met at on Instagram, and she has always wanted my channel to grow. She has mentioned my channel to get more people come subscribe to my channel. She brought up an idea of a collaboration where she could support my channel to grow. And when I hit 1,000, I was more than happy to send her that message, because I knew she was there supporting me and wanting this channel to grow. Karen, from the bottom of my heart, thank you. And then Lisa from And So On. She's the kindest person you can imagine. She didn't know me much, but she has mentioned my channel twice on her channel. Quite a number of you here on my channel have come, joined in from Lisa's channel. Thank you, Lisa. You're the kindest, and I'm forever grateful. Thank you. And then there's another person who is my kind of crazy. She's quite crazy, but if you go to her channel, you're sure to have a brighter day when you watch her videos. She always has weirdest dances on her channel. She's quite crazy. I used to think I was crazy. I know I don't show my crazy side on YouTube because I want to keep you here. I don't want to scare you off, but I thought I was crazy until I met Alex, Ginger Head and Co. I'll also attach the link to her channel here. She always dances in her clothes. She has a lot to offer to everybody. She helped me overcome my cover stitch fears. She laughs at me whenever I say that I've got a love and hate relationship with my cover stitch machine. If you want to learn about that, go to Alex's channel. And Alex has also equally mentioned my channel on hers much, and we are here and we are going strong. Yes, it's just 1,000 subscribers and I've celebrated it. I had to point out on all that because everything needs to be celebrated. Everything is a milestone. 1,000 subscribers, it's not just numbers, it's people who have believed in you. And thank you very much. And if you watch my previous video of the Love Notions Rhapsody dress, the review, I announced that I recently joined the Love Notions team as an ambassador recently. It was such an honor, and it's actually exciting and surreal. And this giveaway has been sponsored by the lovely Tammy from Love Notions. I contacted her about buying a few Love Notions patterns which I would give away when I hit 1,000 subscribers. I was happy to pay for them because I like their patterns. I sew up with most of them, and regardless of whether I'm an ambassador or an affiliate or a pattern tester, I love the Love Notions patterns. She offered to give them to me free of charge, so thank you very much, Tammy. You're very kind. So the giveaway prize, before I go on, will be 2 Love Notions patterns to the winner, and the second, I'll give away 2 prizes: 2 Love Notions patterns to the winner and one pattern to the second, the person who comes second. And that is something that can reach anyone all over the world can apply for this giveaway. And I thought it would be best to give away PDF pattern. With that, you don't have to post anything to anyone. So I thought PDF patterns would be the best, and which better way and which best pattern company to contact than Love Notions, because I've been part of them for a while. I pattern tested for them for the last 2.5 years. Then I've also been an affiliate with them, and recently I became an ambassador. So I thought it would be the best gift I would give, something I love to work with, and it's something I've used. I like the patterns that they offer. They offer patterns for an everyday wardrobe for any woman. They also have men's patterns and a number of children's patterns. What do you have to do to enter into this giveaway? So you have to subscribe to my channel, follow Love Notions over on Instagram. I'm going to attach every detail at the bottom. I'm going to attach the website to Love Notions patterns. Then I'll attach the Love Notions Instagram link in the bottom. And also, another thing I would like you to do is to comment in the comment box below, comment below on which pattern or patterns from the Love Notions you would be interested in, and I'll be looking at your comments below, and I'll enter people who will have commented on, and those will be entered in the giveaway. And this giveaway will be running from today, that's Friday the 3rd of July, up to the 10th, Friday next week, 10th July. So if you would like to be entered into the giveaway, do the 3 things I've requested of you to do. Follow me, subscribe to my channel, follow Love Notions Instagram on their Instagram channel, and also comment in the comment box below with which pattern you would like to get, you would be interested in from the Love Notions website. I'll attach the links to the website at the bottom, and also to the Instagram page of Love Notions. And that's all you have to do to enter. You've got enough time to have your entry through within the week, and I'll be announcing the winner on the Saturday, that will be 11th of July. That's the giveaway, a pattern or 2 patterns from Love Notions. So if you're interested, just do those 3 things and you'll be entered into the giveaway, and I'll be announcing on Saturday. And also something else happening on Which Is Josie. I'm having an exciting collaboration with the lovely Adele from Button and Peep. If you follow me on Instagram, this has already been announced, so you probably have heard about it. And we're having a collaboration where we are sewing for men, the men in our lives, your husbands, your partners, your sons, people you would want to sew up for men and realize they're underrepresented in the sewing community. Most of us ladies, if we can agree, we make so many lovely clothes for ourselves, but our husbands or partners never get anything from us. Mine has been fortunate enough to have had 2 items made for him. One fitted well and one didn't fit well because it was meant to be a surprise Christmas present. So I never took the measurements because I wanted to surprise him, but lo and behold, I surprised myself because it never fitted. So I could say I made him 2 items, at least they both came from the heart. One fitted right, it was a t-shirt, and with this collaboration we are starting off. We hope to have it running for a while, and probably bi-monthly, because we can all agree there's not much time in life, and we know how not so easy men's clothes are to sew. They're not your go-to fast whipper patterns apart from a t-shirt. And Adele and I each chose for the other t-shirt pattern to sew up. I have to agree that she was a bit naughty. She picked me one that pushes me to the British Sewing Bee standard. So I told her next time I won't be kind at all. And along the way we shall also compile up a database of various men's t-shirts that we shall publish on our blog. So if you're interested, you have got a lot to pick from. And if you're interested in joining in, tag us both in Adele at Button and Peep, and mine at It Is Josie on Instagram. And the hashtag is Sewing for Men. We want to see your makes, and also that will help us to add on to our database of the various patterns other people could look at and consider. And if you've come this far, and subscribe to my channel, please subscribe, like and comment. Until next time, looking forward to hearing from you and whatever patterns you'll have identified from Love Notions. Until next time, bye.